Hey there, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Let's get comfortable. You can sit, lie down, or just settle wherever you are. And if it feels okay, let your eyes gently close. Let's observe how we're breathing. Just notice. An easy way to do it is to notice how the stomach expands and contracts. Now, the moment you start noticing the breath, it's tempting to change it. That's just an impulse. Try not to give in to it yet. We'll get there eventually. For now, simply notice the breath. I'll stop talking for a little while as you experience the body expanding as the breath comes in and contracting as the breath leaves. And as you watch the breath, take note of how you're breathing right now. Is it slow? Is it a little fast? Or is it just the pace you usually have? There's no right answer here. Remember not to change anything. Just notice. Alright, now let's begin the extended breathing. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Again, breathe in gently and breathe out. For the next few minutes, we'll make the exhale longer than the inhale. We'll breathe in for a count of 4 and breathe out for a count of 6. You can follow my instructions or simply extend the exhale a little more than the inhale in your own way. Let's breathe in 2, 3, 4, and breathe out gently 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in 2, 3, 4, and breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, and breathe out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 2, 3, 4. Out 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the next 30 seconds, I'm going to stop talking. You've got the rhythm now. You don't need me counting. Stay with it. If your mind starts wandering, that's completely normal. You don't have to stop the thoughts. You don't have to fight them. Just notice them and gently come back to the breath. Breathe in and breathe out. If you notice your chest or your body feeling a bit tight, chances are you're breathing in a little too intensely. If that's the case, soften your inhale. Just try to extend the exhale a bit. Let it take its time. Just breathe in softly and breathe out slowly. Now, Slowly let go of the counting. Let your breath return to its own rhythm. Natural. Easy. Unforced. Stay with the breath. And that's it. That's the extended breathing technique. Did you notice any shift? Has your breathing slowed down? Or is it about the same as when we started? And what about your body? Did you notice any changes? Are you feeling a little softer? Lighter? If you're feeling better, that's great. And if not, that's completely normal too. Like I said at the start, this takes some practice before you really start noticing the changes. I've been doing extended breathing for about a year now, and let me tell you, it's one of the tools I keep handy whenever I'm stressed, anxious, or just having a busy day. I hope you found this helpful. Next time you're stuck in a loop, just breathe in for 4, out for 6. Do that 8 to 10 times or a little longer, it's completely up to you. Here's the thing, you don't need this video every time. Once you've got this, it's yours. I love building simple, practical tools to help you reset. And I'll keep making more like this. If that sounds useful, subscribe and come along, so it's here whenever you need it. Thank you for being here.